It's a hair. It's a hair in my mouth. There. Sorry. Cut that out, Tony. Okay. Okay. Please stop. I actually want to finish this so I can go to sleep. Are those hooks backwards? Excuse me, sir. For some people, the answer is to take a break. Tony has this down to a science. Did the cat just like swing that at your face with his tail?
You are ruining my relaxation. How the did you do this by yourself?
There's a wasp inside. So wasps that came in.
Okay.
Nope, it flew out. Okay, good. We're good.
Woohoo! He was afraid of me, Tiffany.
He said I'll kill him later, and that wasp flew out.
He's like, nope, never mind.
I'm leaving. This is heavy. Ah, okay, all right. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to build I'm going to build my bed from scratch. I'm going to build my bed from scratch. I'm going to build my bed from scratch. Except for the headboard, because I already have one. Okay. I hope that came out right. Just so you know, every time you see me start a cut and then the next shot is another angle, I stop mid-cut just to change the camera, just to keep you entertained, because I care. Just hold it up there. I'm gonna put it in place down here, and your job is to like not let it wobble. Okay.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
You took the picture already. This is heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ugh. There. Okay. Misty. She sometimes catches it in the air, sometimes just like, do. Okay. Okay. Voiceover note. This can be a time lapse for now. Voiceover note explain where the Squid Game experience is from. We just went to New York. And show B-roll, Tony, from New York. And yeah. Okay, here's the plan. First, let me get the hair out of my mouth. Here's the plan. First, so the painting is going to happen in here, but first, we gotta prep. And I'm just gonna do some YouTube magic. She's marking where my feet are, so that when we do the YouTube magic, I'm on the same exact spot. So she's literally taping around my feet, and then put one right on the tip. It's not a dirty joke. First, we gotta prep. Okay, let's get to work. It's gonna look good, dude. What the I just tried to say I can't talk. Okay, ouch, let me try that again. Off to his knees, maybe.
Hello.
Yes?
What doing?
Cutting trim. Are you bored?
I missed you. You're recording, and I'm interrupting you while you're trying to do workies. Bye.
I love you.
I love you too.
You can't get it on?
I can't get it on. I can't take it off. I am turning into a cartoon character. Oh, this is gonna hurt.
I'm just gonna paint these backs. I'm just gonna paint. Wait, wasn't there another sawhorse here? I'll just put this here. And I'll just get the backs and I'll put it on there. Wait. I still need another sawhorse.
Where's the other one? Tiffany, what'd you do with the other sawhorse?